In today's Power Query Challenge, we have only one column, and everything is dumped inside: dates, product names, numbers. No labels, no order guarantee, no explanation. As an analyst, the question is not how do I fix this. The real question is what structure is already hidden here. And in this dataset, the structure is simple. Dates mean time, text means product, and numbers mean sales. So our job is not to invent rules, our job is to extract them. So let's start. First decision. I don't want to work with a table yet. Tables imply structure. And right now we don't have one. So I pull out the column as a list by typing name in square brackets. Or you can use right click and drill down. This gives me only the values in sequence. No columns, no meaning. Now comes the key insight. Instead of asking where is the date, I ask what is a date. We can select the specific items using List.Select function, and we will use Value.Is function to check the type of each value. If the value is a datetime, keep it. If not, discard it. That's analyst logic. Binary rules, no guessing. Now we know how to select the items we need. So let's build the structure. Once I have a clean list of dates, structure becomes easy. I will use Table.From.Columns function. The first argument is for columns and the second for their name. So I'll put our List.Select function in figure brackets and then type date as the name of the column. This is an important moment. We are not reshaping data. We are declaring meaning. This column is a date because it passed the rule, not because I named it so. Now we only need to repeat the exact same logic, one rule per data type. The second is our text values that are products, and the third is our sales numbers. No branching logic, just one consistent idea applied 3 times. That's how robust queries are built. If someone pastes 10 more rows, it still works. If the order changes, it still works. But keep in mind, in real-world data, assumptions are the most fragile part of any solution. If any of those assumptions are false, the query won't fail loudly, it will fail quietly. That's why in a real project you always double-check your assumptions before trusting the output. And don't forget, the more likes the video gets, the more challenges I'll cover in future tutorials. See ya!